Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. In a recent clear jelly stamper swatch review, I said I would love an ugly sweater plate and someone directed me to CJS-C-15. So I popped over to Nail.supplies, the UK stockist of clear jelly stamper, and purchased it. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing CJS-C-15 Purl Gurl. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper. I have 4 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going to start with a light blue nail tip, and I'm going to be using 2 different blue stamping polishes. For this design I'm going to take 2 images to create this nail, and I'll be switching between the 2 different blues. First, starting with the snowflake, as always I will remove any excess. This is just the way I like to work. Once I've finished, it's not completely lined up the snowflake, but it still looks good though. I'll then use this wiggly line design, still switching between the blues, to add the lines at the top and the bottom of the nail. I will say, once I'd finished, I didn't 100% love this swatch, but it does show you how to create different nails. Maybe I should have used a lighter blue. For the next swatch I'll be using a gold nail tip along with a red and a dark brown stamping polish. I very rarely use gold nail tips, so this is something very new. But I'll start with the dark brown, and I'll take the little reindeer and add that to the centre of the nail. This has to be hands down my favourite dark brown stamping polish to use. It is so pretty. Once I've laid that down, I'm then going to add some line images again at the top and the bottom of the nail. For me, wearing sweater design nails, I would probably do this until late March time, and being able to create my own is just great. I think it's a fantastic concept, and this is a very pretty nail. Unusual colours for me to use together, but it does look really good though. For the next swatch I'll be using a mustard coloured nail tip along with 2 different browns. I'll start with the lightest brown first. This is a new polish for me. I featured it in my last stamping polish swatch video and it works brilliantly. I've been using it quite a bit, to be fair. Once I've laid the body of the owl down, I'll then use the dark brown to add the features in. I find with dark brown stamping polishes, or any brown stamping polishes, that I do have to work really quickly. They dry super fast, and I've had many dry either on the stamper or not transferred across to the nail. But how cute is this little guy? He looks great. For the next swatch I'm going to use a white nail tip along with 2 different greens. I'm going to use the 2 different line images to fill the entire nail to create a sweater design. This is what I'm going to enjoy about this plate the most, and the main reason for me purchasing CJS-C-15. So I'll just switch between, again, the 2 different greens to fill the nail. These 2 greens I use together a lot. They are great for leaves and flowers, and it looks brilliant together. One thing I will say is watch the spacing between the lines though. I created some and they just did not look right. But once I've added all the lines to the nail, I absolutely love this. And I would definitely wear this as a full mani. Absolutely love it. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-C-15 Purl Gurl. Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-C-15 Purl Gurl is full of images to create those warm, cosy knitting manis or sweater designs. There is just so many options. I've taken 40 swatches, which is a crazy amount. A lot of them have more than one image on the pop sticks, but whether you're looking to add letters and numbers or little animals or some cute sayings or creating a full sweater mani, CJS-C-15 has you well and truly covered, and I absolutely love it. As I've said, I've wanted a plate like this for a while, and I'm so glad that it's now in my collection. I love making sweater manis in the winter, and this is just the best plate to have. The possibilities are endless on what you can create. There is only 7 true layering designs, like the animals, the ball of wool, the knitting needles, and the snowflakes. The rest are just basic images that you can add next to one another to create full nails. For me, this plate is going to be a lot of fun, but I also see it being super popular as well, even though it's an older plate. I could have created a lot more pop stick swatches, to be honest, but I do like to use every image on the plate in my swatch reviews. So these are some very random sweater designs that I've created within the swatches, but hopefully this will give you a good idea of what really can be achieved with CJS-C-15. I don't think this is a well-known plate to know what you can actually create with it, but I absolutely love it. I would like, however, to see a plate where it's just the line images and the images like the reindeer in the trees, and not have the layered designs and the words and the animals, just the basic to create the full sweater mani designs. But I know that I personally am going to get a lot of use out of CJS-C-15 for sure. It's an absolutely fantastic stamping plate. I'm so excited to see what else I can create. I've seen a couple of inspiration ideas over on the Clear Jelly Stamper website, so I'm definitely going to be grabbing some more inspiration from social media. So for the mani, I actually took inspiration from one of the pop stick swatches I created. So I've used a lilac gel polish as the base, and I've used a dark purple and a black stamping polish alongside it. So the thumb, the middle and the pinky are the swatch that I did, and then the index and the ring finger, the large purple image, I see that as almost the same as the purple line on the other nails. So it's sort of like zoomed in. It's something I've never done before, but I absolutely love how this has turned out. It's definitely a favourite mani for me. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-C-15 Purl Gurl. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.